Hey everyone, welcome back to Geeky Hacks. If you're uploading YouTube Shorts but your thumbnail looks random, or YouTube picked the absolute worst frame possible, don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change your Shorts thumbnail step by step. And trust me, most creators still look in the wrong place. So let's start with what doesn't work. Alright, first let's check the browser version of YouTube Studio. Open your browser and type youtube.com. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner. From the menu, click on YouTube Studio. Once you're inside Studio, go to the Content section on the left. Here you'll see all your uploaded videos. Now click the Shorts tab, and you'll find all your shorts in one place. Let me select any short and click the pencil icon to edit it. Now pay attention. Under the Thumbnail section, YouTube gives a message that says, you can change the thumbnail on the YouTube mobile app. So basically, YouTube Studio on browser does not allow changing Shorts thumbnails at all. So the browser method doesn't work. Now let's check the YouTube Studio app on mobile. First, open the YouTube Studio app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store or App Store. At the bottom, tap on Content. Here you'll see all your videos, including your shorts. Now find the short whose thumbnail you want to change and tap on it. Tap the pencil icon. As you can see again, there is no option to change the thumbnail. You can edit the title, the description, visibility, tags, but YouTube Studio app still does not give any way to change a short's thumbnail. So the Studio app also doesn't work. Now here's the only place where changing your shorts thumbnail actually works. The official YouTube app, not YouTube Studio. So open the regular YouTube app. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Then tap View Channel. Now go to the Shorts tab to see all your shorts. Select the short you want to fix. Tap the three dots. Then choose Edit. Here, on the thumbnail section, you'll see a pencil icon. This thumbnail editing option appears only inside the YouTube app, nowhere else. Tap on it. Now you can scrub through your short and pick any frame you want as your thumbnail. Just drag along the timeline until you find the perfect moment. You can also add text or apply filters to enhance your thumbnail. Once you're done, tap the tick icon at the top right. And that's it. Your YouTube Shorts thumbnail is updated instantly. If you want a fully custom thumbnail, like a designed image with text, graphics, and proper layout, here's how you can do it inside your editing app before uploading to YouTube Shorts. Import your custom thumbnail image. This could be a photo you edited in Canva, Photoshop, or even a frame you captured from your video. Once the image is imported, make sure to place it as the very first clip on your timeline. If the image appears in the middle, the viewer will see the thumbnail image suddenly appear for 0.5 seconds. This looks weird and breaks the flow. It will look like a random picture popping up. Adjust the duration of this first frame. You don't need it to be long. Half a second to 1 second is enough. Just make sure it appears at the start of the video timeline. Once your custom thumbnail frame is placed and positioned correctly, export your video as usual. Later, when you go to the YouTube app and choose Edit Thumbnail, you'll see your custom image appear right at the start. Just select that frame, and that becomes your new Shorts thumbnail. And that's how you change the thumbnail on YouTube Shorts, and why YouTube Studio still doesn't let you do it. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Geeky Hacks, and let me know what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.